Today you're going to continue to learn about functions. This is the new terminology. We used to call them equations, and now we're going to call them functions. One thing you need to know is to find the value of a function for a certain number, you substitute the number in for x. Okay, we've done this many times, and this is a key concept. All right, substitution is going to be a key concept. Notice at the bottom here we have f of x is how we say this, equals 15x. Well, before, that would have been written as y equals 15x. And if I knew that x was equal to 4, I would simply substitute the 4 in for x, and I would have y equals 15 times 4. Well, now we do the same thing, except it is written a different way. They're going to say something like, find f of 4 if f of x equals 15x. Well, it means the same thing. They're saying in a different way, take the 4 and substitute it in for x. And then you end up with f of x equals 15 times 4. And so we would say that f of x equals 60. Okay? So for your problems today, you were simply taking a value and substituting it in for x. Let's try another example. Here they're saying find f of negative 6 if f of x equals 3x plus 4. So I simply take whatever is in these parentheses, substitute it in for x. So when I rewrite this, it's going to be f of x equals 3 times negative 6 plus 4, and then I simply solve. F of x equals negative 18 plus 4, and f of x equals negative 14. And there is your solution. So remember, it's all about substitution. There's a new vocabulary, a new way of writing it, but the bottom line is they're telling you take a value of x and substitute it into the function and figure out what the value is. Go ahead and try the got it's there on that page, got it A and B.